Alright, y'all, I'm here at the park. To the beginning. Alright, y'all, I'm here for the trail at Mt.Airy Park. I'm at the beginning of it right now. Here a little, hold on, I gotta turn it over. Here a little video of it right now. We got a little tree house up there. It's really nice. I wanna see if I can go up there real quick. Take a look at it. Little trail. Birds and stuff down here. The treehouse right here. I remember being down here when I was young. I think I was like 10, 11, 12. Me and my brothers and sisters, we went down here. We got a picture, like a family picture of us sitting on these windows. That's how little we was. All right, now I'm about to cut to the trail now. Alright, got a stick now, y'all. It's 20 spider webs. Gotta clear it out. You know what I'm saying? Look at that one right there. I don't know if you can see it. Let me get close to it. Whew. Yee. Feel like I'm playing a scary movie. Playing a scary game or something, man. Look at this though. Nice little campfire. When you say so, mama.
Where you see a campfire at?
Alright, you can start one right here. Look, you got the couch.
What?
Got the little bench.
Bro, what are you talking
Start
about,
a fire right there. Alright, we got another spot, y'all. It's a little arrow this time.
A light.
Some what?
We'll go up and see where it leads us.
But the arrow say go this way.
Don't worry about it, sweetheart.
Probably going the trail. That's probably going out.
Oh man, it's like wrong turn.
Go ahead and get the expressway.
I know. See these hooligans up here. Let's see where this takes us, y'all. Oh my gosh. Oh, I think mama was right. I got so many spider webs on me, bro. Oh yeah, I'm out.
Just follow the light. I learned that.